we will start our first topic, the flower. A flower is defined as highly modified shoot, which is a specialized organ for reproduction. So it is defined as highly modified shoot specialized as the reproductive organs of determinate growth. It is developed either in the terminal or in the axillary. Look at the figure, either terminal or in the axil of the branches. So it may be a axillary or it may be a terminal. Then in the kingdom Plantae and the subkingdom Phanerogamia, flower is a reproductive organ. Flower is main reproductive organ. And in angiosperms, this flower, it is a conspicuous part. Then the structure of the typical flower. Generally, the flower arises in the axil of the bract. Bracts are nothing but very small, scaly outer growths are there, and in the axil of the bracts, flowers always arises. If the bract is present, it is called as bracteate, and if the bracts are absent, it is called as ebracteate. Then the stalk of the flower, it is called as pedicel. You remember the three terminologies: pedicel, petiole and peduncle. Pedicel, it is the stalk of the flower. Petiole, it is the stalk of the leaf, and peduncle, it is the stalk of the inflorescence. So you remember three terminologies: pedicel, petiole, peduncle. So this pedicel, it is the stalk of the flower. When pedicel is present, it is called as the pedicellate flower, and when the pedicel is absent, it is called as sessile flower. Then there are some scaly appendages. These are called as the bracteoles, and bracteoles are present on the pedicel or just below the thalamus. So the three structures: bracts, pedicel and bracteoles. Then on the bracts or on the bracteoles, there is a receptacle, or it is also called as the thalamus, or it is also called as the torus. Here in this figure, the pedicel and the thalamus is very clear. This thalamus, it is of four types. Either it is a conical or a cone shaped in annona. Annona, that means in custard apple. Annona squamosa, custard apple, that means sitafal, and annona reticulata, that means ramphal. So in the central stalk, all the berries are attached. So this is the conical or the cone shaped. Then elongated or the rod shaped in Michaelia. Michaelia champaka, that means the sonchafa or the piwala chafa. Then either it is a disc or the flattened shaped in the citrus or in the sunflower or in the marigold. Central disc is there, and around the central disc or on the central disc, flowers are arranged. And the cup or the hollow shaped, that is the rosa. So thus these are the four types of receptacles are seen in different flowers. So the main is the pedicel. On the pedicel, thalamus is situated. So in any flower, there are some non-essential parts and some essential parts. So the non-essential parts are the accessory roles and the essential parts. So the non-essential parts, there are the calyx and the corolla. Calyx, it is made up of sepals, and corolla, it is made up of petals. Then in the essential parts, androecium or the gynoecium, Androecium is made up of stamens, and gynoecium, it is made up of carpels. So next time we will start with non-essential parts of the flower, that is the calyx and the corolla. Thank you.